Alfa Laval LKH is the core centrifugal pump. With a range consisting of 13 model sizes, providing a wide performance envelope, simple construction and easy maintenance, the LKH is designed for use in hygienic applications and meets a variety of market and regulatory standards, including EHEDG, 3A and CE. The LKH family consists of many variants to cover a wide range of applications and processes to provide the complete solution to meet all plant requirements. Optimum inlet design and impeller geometry reduces pump NPSH requirement to a minimum, thus reducing the risk of cavitation. Optimized impeller blade and casing geometry in combination with close internal pump head clearances maximizes pump efficiency, reducing power requirements and therefore energy costs and carbon dioxide emissions. Operating efficiently also translates into increased pump life, thus reducing maintenance costs. Balancing holes in the impeller enables fluid to flow easily into the area between impeller and backplate, as well as into the seal chamber. This hygienic design feature assists cleaning to be carried out more effectively, reducing cleaning cycle time and therefore cleaning cost. Balancing holes also allow equalization of pressure between front and back of the impeller. This reduces shaft and bearing loading, increasing pump and motor life, lowering maintenance cost. Owing to the balanced design of the shaft seal, the LKH is not susceptible to leakage due to high pressure or pressure shock. Product pressure attempting to open the seal is counteracted by product pressure under the seal face, which results in balancing the seal. In addition, spring pressure also aids in maintaining a closed seal. The shaft seal is front-loading, allowing for easier and faster maintenance during seal change. A universal design allows the same shaft seal to be fitted to 10 different pump sizes. This reduces spare parts inventory. The external seal design places all complex seal components outside the pump chamber, which significantly improves seal cleanability. The LKH pump is available with 3 seal options: single, single flush and double mechanical, each option having a range of seal faces and elastomers to meet user application needs. The universal design also allows for easy retrofit conversion from single to single flush or double seal without component modification, enabling the user full process flexibility to change sealing solution should pump application change. The advanced compression coupling provides a secure retention method and eliminates the need for a keyed drive. The self-centering design runs concentrically, which results in minimal vibration and reduced noise while increasing both seal and motor bearing life. The LKH pump features defined compression O-rings throughout. Metal-to-metal contact ensures defined compression, controlling O-ring deformation, ensuring a crevice-free design while profiling it to the liquid interface. This provides a hygienic sealing solution, thus reducing process contamination risk and cleaning cost. The ability to rotate the outlet port through 360 degrees on the LKH allows for more flexibility when installing the pump within the process system. This simplifies initial installation and also allows exact adjustment to existing pipework. Based on trusted design and performance of the market-leading LKH platform, the Alfa Laval LKH Prime is the core pump solution for self-priming applications. Sharing many common components with the LKH Prime has many of the same features and benefits. Quiet in operation, the LKH Prime provides a highly efficient solution, greatly reducing energy cost. Designed primarily for cleaning in place duties containing entrained air, the LKH Prime can also pump product, reducing cost and complexity when designing process systems. Rotation of the air screw causes the formation of a continuous liquid ring within the canister. Due to the eccentric position of the canister relative to the air screw, an air chamber is formed, which separates into air pockets between the air screw vanes. The continuous rotation of the air screw forces the air pockets through the canister into the suction stage of the impeller and is pumped out via the discharge. To ensure the liquid ring is maintained at all times, liquid is returned from the discharge via the recirculation pipe into the canister. Piping design should be configured to retain liquid in the pump to enable prime upon startup. Designed with only one bend, this allows full visual inspection of the recirculation pipe, thus conforming fully to 3A requirements. In addition to the LKH Prime, the LKH Prime Ultra Pure is also available with enhanced surface finish options, 3.1 material traceability, and full QDOC package. The superior efficiency of the LKH Prime results in reduced energy consumption. The LKH Prime is the latest addition to the market-leading LKH pump platform, which is synonymous with quality and reliability. A versatile solution which can be used for both cleaning in place and process applications.